Hello everyone, this is our incubator at home. This is how we produce and hatch our eggs. Sooner they become like this. Yeah. But for now, they are just an egg and someone, most of all, wants to get out of their shell. Like this. Oh, welcome, welcome, welcome to the world. This is our improvise incubator, guys. Okay. Here they are. Ano, baby? We still have oh, five or six to look.